Do you have a Pages document that you need to convert to Word format? Don't worry, it's a quick and easy process. First, open the Pages document you want to convert to Word format. Click on File, then point to Export to and select Word from the submenu. This will open the Export Your Document dialog box. Next, click on the Word tab, then click on the small arrow displayed to the left of Advanced Options. Select your preferred Word document format from the options provided. To make the Pages document compatible with newer versions of Microsoft Word, select Doc. To make the Pages document compatible with Microsoft Word 1997 to 2004, select Doc. Click on Next, then type a name for the file into the Save As field. Indicate where you want the file saved using the Where field, then click on Export. Your Pages document will now be converted to Word format and saved in the location specified. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.